of the Philippines.
Ako, I like the character of Meg right away. I felt like she's very relatable, especially nowadays.
He's a 35-year-old virgin. So, nakastick siya sa morals niya kasi meron siyang standard with the mom and the dad. And the dad who died, sabi niya, gusto kong pangalagaan kung paano yung nangyari sa parents ko. At gusto ko, ganun din ako. Sabi niya. Aalis na nga.
Until now, I'm still honored that, I mean, this is Rian Ramos. Ako, isa siya sa parang bucket list na pwede sana maging makatrabaho ko, and then it's happening now. At nakita ko yung process niya, nakita ko yung kung paano siya magtrabaho, and I enjoyed every moment of it. At nakita ko yung dedication kung paano siya kung paano niya ibigay yung truth ng scene. Sana ay masilip. Pag ganun, manonood ka ng love story, it's a different string na napupul sa'yo, di ba? It's a different kind of love. So, I think yun yung nabigay namin dito. Pipilit sa'yo kahit na lilipad ang isip ko.
Hindi lang yung acting part yung gagawin niya, pero kung pwede siya mag-contribute dun sa lines, kung ano yung mas natural niyang sasabihin, di ba na pag-uusapan natin before, ayun, talagang ini-imbibe niya talaga, what would Ryan do? What would Ryan say?
Pero siguro hindi ko naman itataya yung pangalan ko pag sinabi kong maganda talaga ang pelikulang ito dahil sa script pa lang talagang na-appreciate ko na siya. Tawa ako.
Pag nakakasama ko yung mga stars of the day, nakakatuwang just to even, you know, watch them, how they handle themselves. Yun na, parang I like the energy. So, I love it.
It's an opposites attract kind of love story. Lahat tayo may mga flaws, may pinagdadaanan tayong sariling journey with our mental health, and when you find a partner who can understand that about you and not expect perfection, parang ayun, parang kaya I felt na this is a love story that needs to be watched and told.
This is the first time that I worked with them. So, kaya medyo kinakabahan ako in a way kasi magagaling sila on their craft, and ako naman nagsisimula pa rin na magpakilala bilang director. So, I wanted to have this freedom sa kanilang dalawa to magkaroon kami ng collaboration because sa galing nila, I don't think I can just strictly push kung ano yung vision ko. It needs collaboration para mapaganda pa namin.
So, Anne is a toxic friend. And yet, she's a friend. So, she's always there for Meg.
Din ako ng permission kay Direk. Sabi ko, Direk, okay lang ba if mag-add ako ng konti, bawasan ko ng konti, and pinahinayaan niya akong maging ako, mailabas ko yung, let's just say, yung artistry na gusto kong ilabas since this is my first movie ever. Baka first movie ever, karabong bitang-bita yung atake ko.
The right person doesn't tell you who to be or how to improve. They challenge you though to find that in yourself, how to be a better person. And that's why we always hear you make me want to be a better person.